Nyam Nyam brings to you 3 nutrient-rich and energy-boosting smoothie bowls, which are sure to get your day started off just right. These strawberry, matcha and butterfly pea smoothie bowls are topped with fresh fruits, granola and other healthy toppings too. Not only that, but we're also going to be showing you smoothie cups as well. Fantastic ideas like mermaids and rainbow unicorns. Whatever takes your fancy, we've got the recipe for you. They are perfect for a quick and easy vegan breakfast or snack. So, let's get started. Starting with a fantastic smoothie bowl recipe, flamingo smoothie bowl to be precise. We're using frozen bananas and strawberries to give it a gorgeous red colour. Just whiz them away in a blender, it's so easy. Just spoon it into your bowl. Now here comes the interesting part, the decoration. We've got some fondant flamingos using dark chocolate piped on for the legs and some fresh strawberries. Gorgeous. You can be really creative with these bowls, doing all different flavours and different designs, depending on who it's for. Ladybug smoothie bowl is one fantastic one, using green pea for the gorgeous green colour. So we're going to use fondant icing again for the decorations, flowers and of course ladybugs. Dark chocolate for the antennae. And there you have it. Super fun. If you want to get the kids eating something healthy or semi-healthy, but you want to make it more fun and interesting for them, then this is the way to do it. Next we're using butterfly pea, whizzing that away with some banana to get a gorgeous greeny blue aquamarine colour. Because we're going to do an ocean scene here. That's right, folks. We're going to get some bananas and chocolate decorations, seashells. You can even use those Guillain chocolates. They're perfect. Some blueberries and of course a mermaid's tail. Definitely needs to be a mermaid's tail in there. We're going to show you how to make some smoothie cups this time, starting with mermaid smoothie cup. Just mixing some sugar, gelatin and water, heating them up in the pan. We're going to make a first layer here, blue food colouring too. This is going to be a gorgeous mermaid smoothie. Pour that in at a tilt, at an angle you see. Freeze it. Meanwhile, let's make the smoothie part with the bananas and the yoghurt and the coconut and butterfly pea for the lovely blue colour again. So this is like a layered smoothie, a bit of jelly on the bottom and then gorgeous yoghurt smoothie on top. Pretty healthy, not too bad. So we just pour that in there and let's add a bit of whipped cream. I think the kids will like that. So it's kind of naughty and nice at the same time. Let's not forget the mermaid diving in and some decorated sugar pearls. Lovely. Ooh. Next we're going to do a watermelon smoothie cup. A bit of kiwi fruit's going to go in here with our banana. As you've noticed, banana is the staple ingredient for most of these smoothie recipes. We like to layer our smoothies because we want it to be interesting. We want to keep it. Smoothies are a fantastic snack if you've not got much time, or let's say you have a delicate stomach. Smoothie is the way to go. It's fast, it's tasty, and it can be fun to decorate. It can be healthy if you add stuff like seeds and nuts. So we're adding some chia seeds to this one. It's a lovely pink colour against the green, and the chia seeds, when you put them in liquid, they soak up all the liquid. That's a great thing about chia seeds. They're very, very good. They just expand. They really do start to fill you up. So we're adding in some frozen raspberry this time to give it a slightly darker pink colour for variation. Third and final layer, we're going to freeze it and add some whipping cream on top. Pink, of course. And a kiwi fruit. Now it's starting to look like a watermelon. We just need to add the chocolate chips for a finishing touch. And there you have it. Right, for our next recipe, we're going to be showing you how to make a unicorn smoothie cup. Adding some milk and whipping cream, heating it on the stove while stirring it all up together. Once it starts to bubble away, you can add some gelatin to that, 1 tablespoon to be precise. Add some chia seeds for a healthy touch. As I said earlier, those will soak up the liquid and become bigger. You can pour that into the bottom of your serving glass, filling it halfway. Then we're going to get some frozen banana, some yoghurt, and some coconut. Now, if you want to do different variations of this, or you don't eat or drink dairy products, then you can use almond milk, soya products, even oat milk, coconut milk, or rice milk if you don't mind the slightly different flavour. It's all very good for you. Well, except for the whipped cream, of course, but we've got to have a little treat, right? Some fondant ears go on there and a unicorn horn, and there you've got it. A unicorn smoothie. Ah. Right, let's do the next one. Adding some banana, some yogurt, and all different types of fruit, but doing these separately because we're going to layer it for a gorgeous rainbow smoothie. You really can become an artist with these recipes. Whatever is your favourite movie character or animal, or even if you have a themed party, girly night in, or something for the kids, you can start to make these fantastic smoothie designs. Who needs cake when you got smoothies, eh? Pink, pink and more pink whipped cream with strawberry slices and decorated sugar stars.